Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple truths that can improve your daily health. Today's topic is something many people love: peanut butter. Smooth, rich, satisfying. For some, it is a daily habit. For others, it feels like comfort food. But here is the question: is peanut butter helping your body or harming it? Let's start with the benefits. Peanut butter contains healthy fats. These fats support your body. They help maintain energy levels. It also contains protein. This helps your muscles. It keeps you full for longer. This is why many people use peanut butter in fitness routines. It provides energy. It supports recovery. Then comes something important: heart health. Healthy fats can support your cardiovascular system. When consumed in moderation, peanut butter may be beneficial. But now the other side. Peanut butter is high in calories. Very high. Small portion, large energy. This creates risk. If you eat too much, your body stores excess energy as fat. Weight gain begins. Slow at first, then noticeable. Another issue: added ingredients. Many products contain sugar, unhealthy oils. This reduces quality. Your body receives less benefit, more harm. Then comes control. Peanut butter is easy to overeat. 1 spoon becomes 2. 2 becomes more. This is how habits form. So what is the solution? Balance. Choose natural peanut butter. No added sugar. No unnecessary ingredients. Keep portions small. 1 or 2 spoons. Not more. Use it as support, not as main food. Because peanut butter is not bad, but excess creates problems. Use it wisely. Because real health comes from balance, not extremes. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Your support matters. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay balanced. Take care.